Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit comfortably and feel calm inside. Place your hands on your heart and breathe slowly. Gently stretch your neck and relax. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch your side and breathe calmly. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Twist slowly and feel your back relax. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit like a butterfly and feel calm. Fold forward softly and relax. Stretch forward and let your body rest. Rest here and feel safe. Find a calm and steady position. Let your chest melt down and relax. Stretch gently and breathe calmly. Fold down and let go. Lift halfway and feel long. Stretch your hips softly. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch tall and breathe slowly. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Balance calmly like a tree. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Relax completely and enjoy calmness. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.